Ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? Well, it turns out that yawning is a natural, instinctive behavior that helps regulate the temperature of our brain. When we yawn, we take in a deep breath of cool air, which helps to cool down our brain, making us more alert. Interestingly, seeing or hearing someone else yawn can trigger a yawn in ourselves because of mirror neurons in our brain that mimic the behavior of others. So the next time you feel a yawn coming on, remember that it's not just because you're tired, it's your brain's way of staying cool and connected to those around you. What do you think? Leave it in the comments and subscribe.